everyone, this is Myung. The weather was lovely over the bank holiday, and I'm sure many of you enjoyed ice cream, soft drinks, or barbecue, which are highly acidic. So it will now be a good idea re-alkalizing your body. I'm going to make a fennel and pear soup, which is a highly alkaline food. There is some more information below about alkaline and acidic food. Fennel and pear are highly alkaline foods, and lemon is the highest alkaline food. When our body is acidic, it is vulnerable to germs. Alkaline means a pH higher than 7. The human body is naturally slightly alkaline with a blood pH of around 7.4. However, the stomach is acidic, which allows it to digest food. Over-acidity interferes with life itself. It is at the roots of many sicknesses and diseases. Over-acidity is also what's keeping you fat. Dr. Robert Young recommends 80% of your diet must be alkalizing food, such as green vegetables. Alright, let's re-alkalizing our body. So I'm going to make a fennel soup, mainly fennel and onion and this pear and lemon, and I'm going to also use lemongrass. The lemongrass, the lemongrass is outside is quite hard, so you can use for stock. When you make a stock, when you put it, it tastes really good, but it is very hard and tough, so you can't eat it. But when you peel this all, and inside it's very soft one, and you can chop it and add in the soup. It tastes really good. And some fennel seed, because I'm going to use fennel and fennel seed, they will work together very well. Cloves garlic and 2 pears onion. The main ingredient fennel. Fennel is seasonal at the moment, and it is really tasty. Both fennel and pear are packed with the potassium, and they are alkalized food and contains lots of minerals. Okay, let's chop them. So I chopped the pear and onion and this garlic. So pear and onion. This is a half onion, but it is quite big one, so it will be 1 medium onion. And 2 cloves garlic, and this fennel. Oh, this aroma is lovely. Just roughly chopped. In Europe, especially Germany and Austria, they use this a lot. They use for salad and cook in the soup. Okay, now fennel seed and this lemongrass, and this lemongrass for just a stock. I will take it out before blend all together. Okay, and I will add the lemon when it's finished. Yeah, and add a pinch of salt. Okay, let's cook. If you have a stock, you can use vegetable stock, or you can put some water. I'm going to use water today because I don't have a stock. So I add water just until this is all submerged. So not too much water or stock, because I like a thick soup. If you like a runny soup, then you can add more stock, but I like it when it's thick. So just about to cover. This time there's no potato or no starch in it, so I add less water than usual. Okay, I'm going to boil them until tender. Just start to boil, so I will reduce the heat and simmer until all vegetables are soft, yeah? Oh, it's all soft now. Aroma is so good. The lemongrass and this fennel smells lovely. I will take this lemongrass out. Okay, it's well cooked, so I'm going to blend it. Sweet and nice because of pear. It's quite sweet. Okay, it's done. And add a little bit of lemon juice. And I'm going to add some hummus, homemade beetroot hummus. This is homemade pesto sauce. Yeah, this is all done now. Soup is all done, and this aroma is lovely from lemongrass and fennel. Pear and fennel contains lots of potassium and it's very alkalizing food. When you have a more alkalizing food, your body will be in good condition. I added this pesto sauce and this homemade beetroot hummus, so this gives another flavor in the soup. Okay, I'm going to taste it. This all combination of flavor. I can taste the fennel and lemon, the sweetness from pear. It's lovely. Okie dokie. Hope you enjoy my recipe and please make your own, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up, and see you next time.